Alright you guys, so this hair is from Ishow hair. I got a 20-inch frontal, 4 26-inch bundles. I made this into a wig. I sewed on an elastic band cap in the back so that it would stay put back here. The hair was super duper soft. It's still so super soft. It took me a while to curl this because I used 3 bundles and a frontal, and this hair kind of feels thick, so yeah, it took me a while to curl it. Plus it's 26 inches, so you know, took a long time. Anyway, there was no bad smell. They gave me a few goodies in the little bag that I showed you guys. I'm really impressed with this hair. This is by far the best that I've had in a while. The best bundles at all that I've had in a while. I really have been getting wigs lately, and I know some people want to see bundles, so yeah, I definitely recommend this company because for one, no bad smell, they came fast, and this hair is definitely true to length, and plus the frontal feels just like the bundles, and usually the frontals feel stiff or not as soft as the bundles, so I'm super proud of that. The hair didn't smell bad after I flat ironed it. I noticed that, not flat ironed it, but curled it. I noticed that happens with a lot of hair. It'll start smelling like burnt, and it just smells like hair. If you guys know what hair generally smells like, then that's what it still smells like after putting heat on it. What else? I don't know. It was pretty easy to bleach. The company was always keeping up with me and talking to me and stuff. Just look at this hair though. Oh, I love it. You guys still can't. There you go. If I pull it, it literally goes to my butt crack. I like that. But yeah guys, this is the hair. You guys can see how flowy it is. Oh my goodness, yes. And I also washed the frontal and it's still soft. I forgot to tell you guys that because I bleached the frontal and I had to wash it. And it still feels so raw. And this time I didn't really over bleach my frontal. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. And this hair company. If you guys want this exact look, all you gotta do is go down in the description box, click the first link, and this will be what pops up. Obviously you'll have to make it into a wig or get it sewed in. If not, you can go to their website. They have lots of other different textures, lengths. I would definitely recommend them if you want some bundles. I got body wave, and I would recommend the body wave bundles. I'm sure everything else is up to par if this hair is. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope I see you guys later.